up from Kramer. He's going for it. He's got it wide open. Hanging out. Kramer Hayes, look at that! All over it. 3 miles an hour. Watch him get airborne. This is a 12,000-pound truck, and he... Oh!
2 and off.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I got something dope. I got something special. Please welcome the huge, the enormous, the giant wheels monster truck in the Hot Wheels universe.
Bigfoot. You can't stop the storm. 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 You can't stop.
This is the massive blue thing in front of me, and I can assume by structure that what it can do in the real world. This is the 1/64 scale monster truck. It is the monster truck number 5 out of 6 from the Hot Wheels Monster Truck Live series. On the back side you can see other monster truck from this series: 5 Alarm, El Superfasto, Bigfoot, Dodge Charger, all beefed up, Demo Derby, Hot Wheels Racing, and Dairy Delivery. And as always, we got the crushable car included. But before we start the unboxing, click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn the notifications on. Now this monster truck you're watching on your screen was actually a 1974 Ford F-250 pickup truck, but later on was modified by its owner Bob Chandler. The 2019 version of this Hot Wheels monster truck looks like this, but the one currently you're watching on your screens is a 2020 version, and you can see a couple of changes in it. Under the side window we can see the Bigfoot logo and the Firestone written right under it, who are the sponsor of this big thing. Firestone is actually a tire company which make these giant 10-foot wheels for this monster truck. On the side rear we have the Hot Wheels monster truck logo, and if you focus we have the shiny blue surface of this monster truck, and the interior is pure white with a silver seat right in the front for the driver. Now let's come to the most important thing, which is the specifications of this monster truck. Name,
Bigfoot,
truck type,
pickup,
strength,
car crushing shocks,
crash attack,
original stomp,
motivation.
to always be groundbreaking.
So that's all from this video. Hope you like the video, and I think I will come up with a stunt video of this monster truck, I guess. You can also watch the other videos from the channel, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing, because 99.6% of the people are not subscribing but watching videos. Now I will catch up you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.